Hello everybody, Robert Mack in Pismo Beach. This is Pismo. Let's show you around here. Look at this. Is this nice or what? We've been all the way up to Highway 1. Now we came back down. This is right in Pismo here. Look at the water through the rocks. Got some seaweed in there now. But really nice. Let's go over here and look around. This beautiful here. Let's look at the peak right here. We've got some seagulls hiding out here. Look at this guy. Hey, you. He just flaps his wings and off he goes, gliding. Not getting any closer. It's a long way down. Look at this. Look at these cliffs. Look at down in there. It's so beautiful. You can smell fish. I smell nothing but fish. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Man, it smells real fishy here. Look at how nice it is. And then down here, you can drive up, down farther on the beach. You used to be able to get on the beach down there. We're going to go see. I'm going to go look. This is the north side of Pismo Beach, San Luis Obispo, everybody. Look at that beautiful view. My goodness. I drove 200 miles to come up here just to film something for you guys. Wave! Hey, there she is. She's over there. Hey, you! Look at the beach house right on the beach here. They're remodeling that. I'm sure that's worth a fortune. And then they got some on the north side of the boulevard, which they've had them for a long time down there. These look like newer ones. But anyways, everybody, Robert Mack on the cliffs of San Luis Obispo. Boy, look at the caves right there. The archway, it's open. You can come through there and you take a little rowboat, go through there, swim through there. Waves are coming in and out. What a beautiful. Let's walk up here and look around. Come on. Look at the beautiful scenery. Oh my gosh. It's a little chilly. I got a tank top on. I'm starting to get cold. I'm getting cold. I gotta make sure she doesn't crawl off the edge. Look at all the archways down there. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look, isn't that beautiful? Such a beautiful view. $1 million view, huh? That's a nice view from that house. Look at the squirrel. Look at the squirrel. Got a squirrel living it right here. Look at him. Look at the squirrel. He's living life, huh? Hi, squirrely. Hi, squirrels. Hi, guys. Hi. Ooh, they're tame. They don't even move. These guys are friendly. Look at them. Hi. Hi, guys. Hi, little weasels. You guys are hungry. Hi, guys. Come on, let's go over here. Watch out. Excuse me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here's another nice view right here. Look at this. My God, it's beautiful. Look at the little tunnels over there. Got a hole over there. I don't see any sea lions. That's amazing. Oh no, there's a couple on the rocks over there. Usually everything's packed. Maybe it's too hard for them to get up there. There's a few over there, a lot of birds. It's cold right here.